Affiliate marketing can be more rewarding with these ideas. Knowing how to start affiliate marketing can be daunting at first, however, it can pay off in the long run. It takes patience and a wealth of knowledge to get started on the right foot. This video will provide specific tips and hints on how to make the most out of affiliate marketing. Remember that affiliate marketing should not be looked at as a get-rich-quick plan. Be patient and know that affiliate monies grow with time and effort. Keep your referral links active. There are different affiliate programs, and if one doesn't work for you, look for another one. Affiliate marketing is a great opportunity to gain passive income if you use it well. Test the product. The only real way for you to know if you want this product to be affiliated with you is to try it out. Saying you know something works because you have tried it is much more trustworthy and reliable than saying you read about it on their website. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make certain that the company you are advertising has a good reputation. Doing business with a disreputable company can be detrimental to you in two ways. You may be forced to wait for large amounts of time to get your money, and your customers' trust in you will diminish. Developing and keeping a list of ideas handy is a great way to achieve an affiliate marketing. Once you learn a great tip or have one of those proverbial light bulb moments, always remember to make a note of it so you can refer to it later on. As you progress in your note keeping, you can begin to form campaigns from loose ideas. If you are reviewing a product that you have not purchased, make sure that you always include examples of how it works. You always want to give screenshots of the product, other reviews from users, with permission, and other vital information about the product. As an affiliate, you should be really informed about any product you promote. People are more likely to take a chance on an affiliate link if they view you as trustworthy. Don't promote products that aren't of real quality or smother your visitors with too many ads. Give people something they really value. This will enhance your reputation and bring people back to your site. Affiliate marketing need not be your website's sole revenue stream. The same site that generates affiliate money can also use other advertisement strategies, like Google AdSense. In order to maximize effectiveness, though, it is best to keep some separation between your advertisers. Avoid working with two advertisers offering similar products to prevent them from cannibalizing potential customers off of each other. In conclusion, you learned not only some basics about affiliate marketing but also some specific ways in which you can apply it to your own business. As long as you are committed and have a goal to work toward, the tips in this video should help you find success. Student loan.